Alright, whatever. I don't even care that it's public. Is it public? Yeah. Alright. Um, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna try to make this quick. Alright. Basically, I'm gonna try to do a quality backtest session. I'm gonna try to see if just keeping this shit in the back of my head helps me increase the win rate. I was on my Mac when I started this. I'm just gonna try to get to that in this month. This is 2 months of data. This is like most recent. I faded this trade because of like to do with high resistance, and I couldn't figure out where we were. I don't know why this was confusing me so bad. And then I remember I do the thing where like I control. But in my head, the way I was looking at this, I was trying to, because I had a thought process of why I faded it, and I can't remember why I faded it, if that makes sense. Like, when you have, like, a thought process, and then you can't remember why you did such a thing. You know what I mean? So, if I'm looking at this, right, I see, oh yeah, what I saw was we were up to this high. Yeah, we were up to this high. Huh, interesting. If we're up to this high right here, we're above it. Okay, so there's no bearish SMT there. Is there a bearish SMT at this one? That's where the bearish SMT was. It was at this. There's a bearish SMT right here, and then also it's in a gap. Huh. I'm trying to think. Huh. I mean, we're filled past here. If we're filled past here on both, right? We're filled past this gap. I mean, you should be able to just hold this. Yeah, I don't know what my thought process was there. Whatever. Or, wait, is it the 4 hour? Maybe it's the 4 hour? It is the 4 hour. I'm a fucking idiot. I was on the 1 hour. Okay. My idea was we have to get past this. We're past this on both, right? Yeah. Okay, but the resistance is this high inside of this 4 hour gap. But it's not an SMT. So then that leaves you to think maybe you could go here. Huh. But like you're kind of reacting off of CE, so I kind of thought it was high resistance liquidity. Yeah, I kind of thought it was high resistance liquidity. Since I thought it was high resistance liquidity, I kind of just faded this 1 hour. It was a 1 hour intermediate low I think we come into. Or, well, this is this, right? Get manipulation into both of these. And then after we get the manipulation, we obviously get a soup right here. And I was waiting for the 2 minute. I didn't really like this close. I waited for this one, and then it got a really good close. And then looking to just target this. Have this maybe as a break even. Probably don't even really need a break even. I mean, and then it plays out, but I did not take this. And then, sure enough, yeah, I mean, it takes forever. Yeah, we go through here. So then it shows this isn't high resistance. Then we get SMT'd, I think, right here. This just, like, was confusing the fuck out of me. I don't know. Like, my brain, like, can't process this. Like, I don't know. Like, when we're, like, at highs like this and I'm backtesting, like, my brain can't process where we are, if that makes sense. Like, I know where we are. Like, I know we're at this candle. So, where's the actual bearish SMT? Like, where is this fucking gap? Oh my gosh, I'm a fucking idiot. This gap is fucking this gap. Right? Am I tripping? I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. What the fuck? That is so hard to fucking understand, I feel like, in my eyes. So if we're displacing past this right here, when we're getting up to this, it's like this is like the lagging one. Yeah, because then this is the high that like we're about to get to. Okay, so this is the more bullish pair. So once we get through this, then it's just going to deliver to these highs, which it's getting through. If you go break even there. gets through this 1 hour gap pretty much, and then you just deliver. Oh shit, well I didn't mean to play that, but yeah, it chopped around a lot to get to it, whatever. Okay, I didn't take that trade, whatever. I was getting confused. Alright, I don't know. Don't ask. Fucking, I don't know. I'll try to explain trades better than that one. That one fucking just confused the shit out of me. Because I want to actually be able to fucking learn from this. Okay. Daily, okay. Like, what am I looking at? I'm seeing kind of just blowing past these highs. We're obviously bullish. I'm assuming this is all-time highs. Yeah, it's all-time highs. Daily, right, 4 hour. This is 2025, by the way, September. I don't really remember a lot of these trades. I fucking have learned a lot, so it's not really going to matter. I'm not going to remember certain days. I'm not going to lie. Now, the recent way I've been journaling stuff, I've been remembering current days, which is, like, a good thing, but, like, for backtesting purposes for these months, I don't really remember certain days. Like, I wasn't journaling. Like, I was journaling, but not, like, how I do right now. Okay, these candle colors got to change a little bit, because I can't, like, tell which is which. Okay, we'll do those awful colors. 4 hour, we're displacing through this, like, heavily. I would think we have draws higher. Okay. What about up here? Oh, we're just at all-time highs. So we have a bearish SMT right now. I mean, I guess you could say it's high resistance, but not really, because we're just going to all-time highs. So I'm going to fade high resistance right there. Go with the overall trend of being bearish. 1 hour, 15 minutes going to open. I'm going to measure out this current trading leg and look for equilibrium if I want a continuation. Looking at it right here. Make sure that we're manipulating to the same 15-minute gap. Right, make sure we're getting proper manipulation. I mean, just not what I'm looking to take, but yeah, I mean, this is probably gonna play out. I mean, yeah, this 30 seconds gonna play out, I think. Oh, maybe not. Where's the 9:30 open? 9:30 puts in this low, and then we get a manipulation below that low. Okay, now we're like actually like, okay, so now we manipulate into this 15-minute gap. I want to see, okay, there we go. Now we manipulated into both, right? Now we can look for some sort of SMT, right? Okay. See if we maybe get like a soup. There's like that additional stop hunt. I'm not loving this, I'm not gonna lie. I want to see how like the 15-minute reacts. We're at like, oh shit, are we at 10? We're at 10. Wait, where did 10 open? 10 opened here. Looks like this bearish SMT is gonna be what like fucking holds us lower for the day. This 4 hour, we already reacted from this. This 1 hour, I mean we could be going for these 4 hour like intermediate lows. I want to see what this, how this, okay, this 15-minute candle closed, okay, like crazy. Alright, that's a crazy reaction. But like, I don't know. No, I'm not gonna take that. See, like, I'm just like a little I mean, like, were we supposed to short on a day like this? Like, I don't feel like we are, bro. But, I would grade these together probably. See how we're reacting off of C of that. Soup to that. Yeah, this is probably just a no trade day, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we're already at 10:52. Now we're just looking for a reversal. Like, it's just, this is like literally how we lost today, basically. Quite literally, this is how we lost today. Most recent trading leg is like this one. There's literally just a 1 minute, so you'd have to take that. then target fucking this mech, I guess. Like, this would really be it, but I don't like mechs, so, you know, if you want to target a 2R mech, then go for it. Lose. Alright, that's a new trade day for me, personally. Alright, let's look at the daily. We're still holding this bearish SMT, I'm pretty sure. Right? Yeah, we're still holding this. Or, well, I don't know. There's somewhere we took all-time highs and we didn't over here. Right? Or am I, like, seeing things? Yeah, I'm a fucking idiot right here. Took all-time highs, haven't taken it on here. Okay, we're out of all-time highs right here on both. So let's see what we do now. On the 4-hour, currently like in that same area, technically. We just swept out this stuff right here. This is like high resistance. We've mitigated gaps. We swept out liquidity, right? Same thing here. Well, this whole thing right here, this is like a... I don't like that it does this, bro. It's fucking, it confuses the shit out of me. It doesn't do this on fucking trading view when I'm like trading. Right here, these lows. Oh my gosh, this shit is confusing the fuck out of me. Okay, right here, look. 20 Wednesday, yep, see? Right here. Same fucking low, see? All swept right here. Okay? Not, see? There we go. Now we fucking actually can see what's going on here. High resistance, mitigated gaps, swept, SMT, that is high resistance. What are we doing? Inversing gaps. What do we have right here? Bullish order flow. What are we trying to target? Probably something like this, right? Okay? 4-hour, 1-hour, oh shit, 2-hour. Looking for manipulation on both pairs for true manipulation, right? 1-hour, 2-hour. So really, the only manipulation is like these 30-minute intermediate lows, or right, or the 4-hour gap below. It's the 4-hour, 1-hour, 2-hour, whatever the fuck. Let's see if we get that lower. We might just pump. Looks like we're diverging like a motherfucker. Not gonna look for shorts. I'm not gonna fade the overall trend, because that is how you lose trades. Looking at this bitch has diverged hard. Hoping we get some fucking selling pressure right here, so we can fucking get something we want. I mean, looking at this, we have a 15-minute gap here. We tap into. On here, there's like, there's no I mean, like, we're in a completely different 15-minute gap. Like, I don't think this is like a valid trade, right? Like, like they're so diverged. Like, I don't think so. I don't think that would be valid. You don't even really get an additional soup. You have to take this fucking 5-minute inversion. Yeah, no, this is not a good trade. So let's just wait. It's already 10:50. It's Monday. There's no trade. Cool. Go to the next day. Right? Keep it going. Right? Kind of stuck in this like 4-hour range. Looking at it, I'm still remaining bullish to these all-time highs. 1-hour. What are we doing? Like, it just looks like we're going higher. On the daily, 4-hour, are we looking at anything? Kind of sweeping this, but I mean, this is like all the way over here. Like, we're still holding like this massive bearish SMT, because like it fucking cleared out these highs. It hasn't cleared out these yet. It's like we're trying to take high resistance buy side, but it's just hard right now. I feel like 4-hour, 1-hour. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what we could do here. There's not a lot of fucking PD arrays. Like, it's just fucked. Like, there's no PD arrays here. So just this 4-hour gap right here. I mean, if anything, bro, shorts honestly look better here. Like, it's fading the trend, but like, if we can inverse and get a huge candle down, it'd be nice because like, there's just so much LR right here. Like, look at this shit. So, if you can get like a nice change, get a little continuation down there, wouldn't be bad in my opinion. We inverse this like little tiny 4 hour. We inverse this 1 hour right here. 30-minute, nothing. Yeah, we're making jack shit. There it is, clearing out all that LR. We leave these lows right here. We do SMT with it right here. Yeah, huge SMT. Haven't tapped this. I'm not gonna like register this as long since we haven't manipulated yet. Right here, we are manipulating to this 5-minute. Do we wick it? Wick it. Here, we're wicking it. Right. This leg, there's that soup. Okay, so our highest time frame inversion is the 5-minute. We have 11:05. You'd have to wait for this to close. It's wick, and that's a terrible closure, and it's past our times. Bad trade, bad trade, bad trade. Shorts probably don't even play out, and even if they do, it doesn't matter. See, look at that. Go the next day. Bad PA, bad PA, bad PA, bad PA, bad PA. Okay, looks like we're finally making a run for these fucking all-time highs right here. Okay. Passed it on MES, so it's just indicating fatter bull run. I don't know. 15-minute, let's see. We're just trying to see what we get reactions from. Okay. Looks like we're gonna hit this. Yep, there we go. We hit that 1 hour gap. Get like this right here. We get the 30-second. So right here, since interacting with this 30-second, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7 candles to interact with that 30-second, which is just not clean. It's just overall not clean. Overall, the bias, right? We do have this 1 hour PO3. We're opening lower with this 9 a.m., right? We obviously have this additional soup, right? So right here, here's our key level, right? We do soup into it, right? We are leaving wicks, you know. Bodies are closing above, wicks are doing the damage. Most recent trading leg, the highest time frame inversion in this soup leg right here. This specific one is the 30-second. But you know, looking at it further, I mean, you could just take the other leg, which is gonna be this one. So we're gonna have to take this 1 minute up here, which, as you can see, actually ends up filtering out an L right here. Not to mention it was 8 candles, so it's just not good. Now looking at this, right, we have this 1 minute right here. Since interacting with it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, it's just bad. It's just bad. It's honestly bad. It's not looking good for longs. It's showing that we're not getting a reversal. We probably might be heading lower, which is unfortunate because, you know, we are overall bullish. But to what? What are we heading lower for? I'm not sure. So we do get one more manipulation lower. Question is to what? Maybe the 30-minute gap? Sometimes you have to scale and lower to see these gaps that they're going for. Get like a stop run right here. We inverse this right here, and then now it looks like we're gonna run this. But we left LR at our stops. Just doesn't look like the best long. Kind of looks like we're gonna come down. Right here, we're coming up to this 15-minute gap. You measure out this whole range. We're gonna EQ this range, right? Come here. Are we in a 15-minute gap here? We are not. What the fuck are we doing? Interesting. Very, very interesting. They are just not the same fucking asset, apparently. I mean, looking at it, I mean, there's no 15-minute gap right here. We pushed past this, so this isn't true manipulation. It just looks like we're just going to go higher. So maybe this was our true manipulation. I mean, looking at it, I mean, I don't even think I was taking this into consideration, though, because, like, looking at it, this 1 hour gap never got manipulated into right here. This 1 hour gap never got, yeah, I mean, it got manipulated in here, but, It's just a fucking terrible day to trade, I don't know. It just looks like it's gonna go overall higher. Just not really much to say. I mean, it's kind of a shit day. It's just not good. Alright. And here we go with the freezing bullshit. Alright. Looking at the daily. We still have these all-time highs we haven't taken. Looks like we're fucking coming for them. Daily. Still holding these bearish SMTs. 4 hour. Right here. Okay, so we have a reason for this move. We're tapping this hourly. Do we need 30 minutes? I mean, this is just fucked. I mean, I want to see some kind of sweep lower, but okay, we haven't taken that shit yet. We have any fucking PDA raise we can take. 4 hour, 2 hour, 30. I mean, the only thing we have is just data lows getting swept. That's all we can really wait for. So that's what we're gonna wait for, because we don't really have any other options. So, or we can target them. We could do that too. Sadly, it doesn't look like we're gonna get that option, because we're just not gonna get the same candle structure on MES, which is just not indicating the PA once again. Have we opened? We've literally opened them. I mean, like, this is just fucking atrocious. Like, I'm starting to realize maybe I haven't been bad at backtesting. Maybe I'm just backtesting the most fucking atrocious months of all time. Like, what am I supposed to take here? I mean, there's nothing, so we'll go to the next day. 11 a.m. Here we go. We still haven't taken this fucking all-time high. 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. There are any fair value gaps in fucking sight. We have these 15-minute intermediate lows. That is literally it. Let's hope we can take them. Still haven't taken this all-time high. Here we go. Right here. Where's this low at? This low's here. Let's hope we can get true manipulation. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. I mean, was there like anything I could really take there, bro? Huh. Interesting. I mean, manipulated into this 15-minute fair value gap, but it wasn't a 15. Or, it was a 15-minute on here. I guess we both but like we're filling past it and we don't want to take all these lows. We're leaving, like, this is not a quality set. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, you're gonna take this, like, really? You're gonna take this? You're gonna take this long? Like, look at these. Look at these wicks. Look at, like, how weird this market looks. Like, how awful this shit looks. You're gonna take this, like, and then you're gonna have to hold past all-time highs to thin air to get a one-to-one. Like, it's just stupid. Like, it just is. Like, I don't know, bro. It's just not looking like it's it right here. Okay, so we're still no trades on the month. Okay, maybe we can get some fucking good PA now that we're fucking correlated now. Okay, obviously aiming for all-time highs. Let's see if we can just get a simple pullback. Let's see what we get here. Alright, let's both manipulate into a gap. Okay, so right here we have this 5-minute gap. There's no 5-minute on MES. 10 a.m. right here. So 10 a.m. opens. Don't have a 15-minute. That's just lovely, isn't it? I mean, yeah, I don't know. It plays out like fucking pure chop. Okay, another day, no trade. Like, what is this shit? What is there something I'm doing wrong here? Am I like not understanding? I don't think I am. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong. Okay. Looks like maybe we could be heading for this new week opening gap. It's looking like a potentiality. I don't know what the fuck I just said. Okay. Right. Okay. Haven't manipulated into this. Nice. Just no entries. Literally nothing. Make some nice sell side. Huh. Interesting. And it's 11. Go the next day again. This gap isn't filled in completely. Wait, 4 hour, 2 hour, 30-minute. Okay, we're tapping a 30-minute. Manipulate into the 30-minute. Interesting. I mean, I don't know. Like, do you just take this right here? Like, off of market open? Like, I don't think so. I don't know. That kind of feels like a crazy fucking short to take just off of market open. Hey, you're trying to, like, manipulate into this, no? Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like I'm missing a trade here. Like, my idea is, like, we were gonna manipulate, like, I wanted to take this 5-minute continuation, but we're not manipulating into any 5 minutes over here. Like, we manipulate, there's nothing over here. There's no 5-minute over here. You see what I mean? Like, we're sweeping out liquidity, like, I don't know. Just doesn't make sense to me. And it's 11. Go the next day again. 4 hour. Now we filled that in completely. Okay, we're both manipulating to this. We're both bullish, I would say. I mean, is it crazy to take this fucking 30-second fucking long right off a market open? I feel like it is. Mitigated 5 minutes. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I don't know. I don't know. One hour. I like want to see what we do a little bit into market open. Oh my gosh. Huh. Okay. On the hourly, right? We both manipulated into this. We're forming an SMT, so now it's an added confluence, right? I don't think we wait for it to come down here. We souped into it. I mean, this is probably the original entry. Probably that 2 or 3 minute. You can look at this as like the most recent trading leg. Maybe take this 5 minute. 950. It's not gonna end for another 5 minutes. Okay, it doesn't even fill. Now it does. Hourly open, like it's gonna open. Not a lot of LR. Just with all this reacting. I mean, go break even here. Target this. I'm aware this is like not a very big stop. Probably not played the best, so I'm gonna go quick break even. Right there. Nice. I think we waited actual decades for a trade and we won. Idea for that trade is the hourly right here. We both manipulate into these 1 hour gaps. What are we doing? We're like souping them. We're wicking the fuck out of them. I'm not really liking the fact that we displaced on MES, but it is a bearish SMT, so it's showing high resistance to what? Low resistance liquidity, I would say. We have, I mean, this is a 15-minute gated gap, I guess, but this is an unmitigated 5 minute, unmitigated 5 minute. On the higher time frames, we are overall bullish. We just filled in this gap. I mean, it's all-time highs, just remain bullish till proven wrong. We had this gap, like you obviously want to take this leg ideally, but we filled past it. So then I was like, all right, what's the most recent trading like? Like 1 minute to 5 minute, right? And looking at it like gaps, like realistically, they're gonna hold you lower these gaps, right? So if you want to look for the highest time frame in that one, it would be this one. What did we get? The first candle that interacted with this was this wicking one, but the next one displaces through this 5 minute gap right here. So where's the gap? Here. Runs through it, no wick. It's a healthy closure. What do? I don't put it at the bodies over here. I put like you could put it at the body for the 5 minute closure or whatever, and then target a 1-to-1. Maybe that plays out. It does. Way I looked at it was there's not really LR forming here. We've respected this 1 minute gap, respecting bullish order flow. We've 1 minute gaps created here, right? That should protect our stops. So I put it here. I think I had like 1.38, something like this, right? Put it at like the wick of the 5 minute that inversed it. You know, not a lot of LR here. Went break even at the fill of this, so still played it safe because I didn't like that it was such a high time frame inversion. Not really a big fan of it. And I think I did, yeah, this was at 9:58. I did fade PO3 manipulating us out. I don't know if that was the right move, but we won, so yeah. Literally like 2 weeks without a trade, I think. This whole session. 4 hour next day. Probably still gonna be bullish to these highs. What are we getting here? There's not a lot. There's not a lot. Probably have a 30-minute gap, maybe 15 minutes. Some 15 minutes, I guess. Leave this shit. Let's see if we get that. Manipulating to it with one pair, not the other. There's literally nothing. Can we get something? I mean, it's past 11. Like, what the fuck was that, bro? I mean, we created a 2-hour gap right here, so that was good. Now we're manipulating into it for this. I don't know. It's just not looking too good. It's just not looking too good. Unmitigated for a minute. Probably a 30-second. Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna take it, but maybe something like this plays out. Break even here, maybe target that. Yeah, stop that. I mean, it was the right idea, but wrong entry, so, I mean, I'm glad I didn't take it. I don't know why the fuck this shit's not refreshing at its past trading times. Four hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, nice, we're just gonna rip up like always. What is the 4 hour doing? I mean, 1 hour, 1 hour, I mean, there's literally nothing. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to short here. These all-time highs, so it's fucking stupid. Maybe look for a continuation. Maybe got it there. Probably did get it there. Got a 5-minute gap. Don't manipulate into it with both. Like, I don't know, like, is that like the wrong idea? Like, is that what you want to do though? Like, you want to wait for this, like, right here. We have this 5-minute gap right here. Wait a second. Fuck me. Right here. Here's the 5-minute gap, right? It's this one. These are the same 5-minute gap. 9:45, right? Taps on here, right? And I see the SMT, but I don't want to take this because I want to wait for. I mean, the 4-minute invalidates it anyway, but I want to wait for the I guess it's just not a valid trade. I want to wait for the other pair to tap it as well, I guess, to make sure it's true manipulation. So again, we have a 5-minute. We're tapping a 5-minute here. Tapping a 15. Wait for the other one to tap the 15. It's not the same 15, but it is manipulation. And it's past trading times. Yay, yay. This most recent trading leg, I would low-key wait for equilibrium, I'm not gonna lie. And you don't even get it, so it doesn't matter. You get this displacing past it. Am I being like too picky at this point? Like, or alright, 4 hour. Alright, huge accumulation zone. Can we manipulate and sweep out both on both pairs? Nope. I wouldn't even take that regardless. I don't know why, like, my fucking headset's powering off. It's pissing me the fuck off. Soup it. Soup it. There's literally no way. Like, bro. There it is, right there. Past trading times, yay. We're past trading times, but, like, does this play out? Like, I swear this does, bro. 12:15. What do we have? Hourly right here. We're about to displace past this. I mean, where are we at in this 4 hour gap? CE of this 4 hour gap. Where are we at? Not equilibrium of the range. What do we have here? Accumulation. What do we have? We have this 5 minute gap, disrespect on both. We have all these fucking easy ass highs to take. Like, is there really a way this doesn't play out? Is there really a way? Like, is that possible or no? Obviously. Obviously there's a way it doesn't play out. Like, that's what happens when you trade out of your times, I guess. I mean, you see the chop, right? You do see it. So the 5 minute inverse, right? It's you know it's not really gonna matter. You know, it's kind of why you don't trade it. Um, so we're like about pretty much almost through the month completely, and we're 1-1. That's great. Okay, 4 hour. 1 hour. I mean, in this 4 hour gap. I mean, daily. All right, that was a terrible trade. I just want to make that clear. I don't know why I took it. I've been skipping that the whole time. I don't know why I took it there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 1-1. Fucking idiot. Um, making higher lows, right? Like just looking at it, right? Looking at the 4 hour. Like these are protected lows because we're just making higher lows. Like that's all that is, right? So we're bullish right here. Okay, we're in this gap right here. So maybe we can sell a little bit, but I mean, kind of just looks like we're gonna maybe have a little pullback and then continue higher. Looking at it, okay, we're in a 2 hour gap. So there we go. Maybe get a PO3 on the 2 hour gap, right? We have a 15 minute here as well. Yeah, we do. Look, so maybe we sweep in this, right? Because we need an entry anyway. There's that sweep. Can we get a manipulation from both? There we go. We got a manipulation from both. Look at that. 1 hour, we're tapping this gap now. Beautiful. SMT. Big ass fucking leg to inverse. It's fucking annoying. Okay. Is that a good entry? Like, I think it is, right? Like, we have this 1 hour gap, right? Okay. I mean, we didn't, like, soup into it. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, unfilled 5 minute. I mean, it's going with the overall trend, right? I mean, I don't know. Like, this is the right idea, no? Like, I think it is, no? Like, It just feels very reversal based. That's like the only thing I see an issue with it. Where is the 5 minute? Okay, so I have to go break even there. Yeah, good. Like, I always lose those trades. I don't know why I keep taking, like, I know the exact trades I lose. Like, that extra swing leg right there does not mean shit. Like, it really doesn't. Like, that's not, I don't think that's what they, like, I swear that was a pattern trade. Like, maybe it was wrong. Like, we're in this 4-hour gap. We're obviously heading down. Like, now our bias should be switched bearish, if anything, right? Mid-time frame alignment is telling you we're fucking clearly dumping through, right? Now we come up into this 15 minute, right? Fill past this 5 minute. Fill past this 5 minute. Wait for the. Wait for this 15. Wait to see if we tap the 15 minute on both. Tap the 15 minute on both. But what the fuck is this? I can't do anything with this. Can't do shit with this. I mean, the only trade really was the MES trade. I mean, once it tapped the 15 minute on both, now it's proper manipulation. Now there's an SMT. Now you can take this 1 minute inversion in the most recent leg, and then you can target this easy sell side. That's the fucking trade right there. That's the easy bread. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So, we just learned right there was the fucking mid-time frame alignment. Should have switched the bias, not go for such a heavy reversal. Easy, okay? Right here, 4-hour, higher time frame is bearish, okay? Right? We are tapping this gap, right? Okay, I think we're going to these lows. Let's see how we keep displacing. Let's see what keeps happening. Let's just look for the continuation. Let's look for the easy bread. Tapping a 5 minute on both. Here we go. We're tapping a 5 minute on both. I'm not gonna lie, we definitely have a 30-second. We do have a 30-second. Do I take it, chat? Ooh, do I take it? I mean, 4-hour right here, right? Looking at it, it's 9:51. We could fade the PO3. We have no trades in the month. I'm explaining to you why I might take this dumbass shit and just say fuck it. Like, that's honestly the thought process. I mean, looking at it, right? Where is the additional? Is there an additional suit into the 5 minute? I mean, yeah. You tap the 5 minute here, right? And then you get this additional stop. It's like more of like a CISD trade. I don't think this is really the model. I don't hate it though. Yeah, I just don't even think like there was a break even in that trade. Oh wait. Yeah, I don't even know. I mean, I didn't even go break even here. I mean, it's just like I just can't, like, I just don't think I'm a very good backtester. Like, I just don't think I'm, like, ever gonna be able to fucking backtest. Like, I just don't think I can fucking do it. Oh, so now we're inversing this. Okay, nice. So it's like, which one are we doing? Are we heading lower, or... Oh, okay. So we're tapping the 1-hour gap. Interesting. Let's just go to the next day. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. We're wicking this 4-hour, right? We're overall bearish, I would say, right? Disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish, right? Okay. Did have the CISD, but we didn't really like break this. We're like wicking this, right? Okay. So make me think we're bearish to the bullish SMTs, which is fucked. Okay. Let's see how these 15-minute conditions hold. Okay, so you rape this 15-minute condition, right? Okay. Fill past this 15-minute gap, right? Okay. Come up to this 5-minute, we fill this 5-minute. Accumulation, I mean, okay. This right here, I think is good. Hear me out, right? We have 10 a.m. right here. So where's 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. puts in this high. We sweep the high of 10 a.m., right? And the meaning of sweeping 10 a.m. high, we soup this, like, 5-minute gap, right? It closes, right, whenever the fuck, at 10:05. We inverse the highest time frame inversion in this gap, which is the 1 minute, especially the last one in the leg, right? We have a nice break-even point like here. We can target these lows, or, like, maybe just go for the low-hanging fruit, right? So, like, looking at it, right, probably go, like, something like this, right? Break-even here, probably. Target this. Looking at it, probably wouldn't even go break even there. Probably just hold through, you know. Probably just say, you know, it's worth the risk. Um, one hour LRR, right? Over here, we SMT'd this, so I don't know if this counts for value manipulation, but this 4-hour gap right here, we've manipulated into it on both. So maybe, like, now it's a 4-hour SMT. I mean, it makes sense to me. I don't know, like, I think the manipulation on both pairs is, like, fuck on my head, but I think this is the right idea. There we go. Okay, let me just make sure I'm not getting SMT. I'm definitely going to go break even there. There we go. We won a trade. Good job. It's a miracle. What was our overall draw on liquidity? Like, all, like, the LRR, I'm assuming? Yeah. I mean, I don't need to hold for 0.5 more. There's just no point. But, yeah, that hits. Okay, nice. Cool. We won a fucking trade. Look at that. We're a positive 100 on the account. It's not the end of the world. Um, 4-hour. Bearish SMT. High resistance. Does this mean we're going to be bearish? I think so, right? Because, like, you know, you have this 4-hour SMT and whatnot, and whatever the fuck, right? And, yeah, you have this bearish SMT. Seems like I can't speak right now. Like, this is, like, high resistance, no? I would think, right? I mean, but, like, we're overall bullish to it. I mean, let's just see. Like, thinking about it, right? You think about this. Is this a good example of, like, high resistance? Like, in this moment, do you want to be bearish? Because, like, you're looking at this, right? It ran this on MES. It didn't on NQ. So now we have bearish SMT. Plus, it's a gap and a high. So it's, like, a 4-hour intermediate high. And, like, now we start rejecting, question mark? Like, is that, like, the right idea? Like, now we want to be bearish on the day? 4-hour unfilled gap. Maybe bearish till here. And then look for longs from there, maybe, depending on the reaction we get. Obviously, mid time frames are saying we are bearish at this point. We've just, like, broken this structure. There's, like, nothing that we can really take but this 5-minute intermediate high, so let's see if we get that, maybe. Okay, we get that, but do we get manipulation on both pairs? We don't. So I'll wait. Looking at it, are we, like, tapping something right now? We are tapping this 2-hour 2-hour gap right here, which could be the cause for this, but, I mean, looking at this, I don't even know if I would take this. I mean, you have this 4-minute, closes past this, yeah, it takes out the internal high. So you yeah, okay.
Okay, so now we've taken out this high resistance. Now it's not high resistance. Now I'm bullish at this point. Let's see. Can we come up with MES and then manipulate into like the same type of gap? That's what I'm wondering. But like, why are they this diverged? Like, when you're like in this moment, like, what are you supposed to do? Like, I don't think you can take this, right? Like, this isn't a valid 5 minute now. Like, there's no shot it is. I mean, now it's CISD too. Like, it's definitely not valid. So we'll just wait for more structure. We'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait. Like, I don't know. It's past trading times. Like, what are they trying to do? Like, I don't know. These pairs are like idiots, bro. They're like just not synced at all. So like, I can't get the synced manipulation. You know what I mean? 4 hour. We're both tapping into this gap right here, right? Yes. Okay. Nice. Okay. We get the daily. Rejecting this. I mean, look, we look overall bullish, right? We're, you know, just had this huge bull. Like, we no longer have this bearish SMT. We're changing. We're having like a little market structure break of break of market structure. I don't fucking know. We have this 1 hour we can manipulate into maybe. Let's see. This is not a 1 hour. This is a 15 minute. Okay, here's our 15 minute. Okay, we're running lower. Here's that 15 minute into this 4 hour intermediate low. Um, I'm not just gonna take this. Okay, 10 a.m. opens here. So now this wicked all this, right? So now maybe we can look for like a continuation long, right? That would just make sense to me. Or, I mean, I don't know. I mean, you're sweeping these 4 hour intermediate highs. We're both tapping into this. Well, we're both tapping into a 15 minute gap. I don't know. I mean, bro, like, what is there to take here? Like, I would love to know. Because looking at it, right, you have this 4 hour gap being tapped right here. You should be bullish, but, I mean, we're not fucking doing anything, so I can't get a continuation long. I can't get a fucking 5 minute or something like that. And now it's fucking 11, and then, I mean, now I have the synced up 5 minutes. Now I get an SMT along with the synced 5 minutes, but now the 5 minutes filled past. I mean, it's just fucking useless. It's just fucking useless. Okay, I'm in October. Um, don't know, bro. It just feels like I'm like so low frequency like trading this shit. Like I don't know if I'm like doing it right or like not. Like I don't know. Alright, here's October, I guess. I'll go halfway through fucking October, because, I don't know, that was just, like, not a very good session. I just feel like all my confidence is getting, like, removed. I don't know. 4 hour. Mm, I mean, looking at it, respecting this daily gap, we're going higher, had this change in market structure, we're respecting these gaps, we're showing all these wicks, we're inversing these 1 hours, right? Okay. 15 minute intermediate lows right here. Okay, nice. We invert, like, what the fuck is that? I don't know what the fuck that is. That's just retarded. Okay, I would say it's pretty safe to say we're bullish. We have this 5 minute gap. Can we hold it? Nope. 30 minute intermediate lows. Are we tapping the same 30 minute intermediate lows? Nope. We have a big ass leg to inverse. I don't really want that shit. I'd rather get a fucking soup. Mm. I mean, you get this 5 minute right here, but like, do you take that? I don't think you take that. Time is it? 10:45. We're getting to the end of the session. And it's 11. We can no longer take a trade. Nice. Go to the next day. 4 hour. We're pretty fucking bullish, I would say. All time highs. Hour. Tapping into this on both pairs. Okay. One hour. Okay, I would say I'm pretty fucking bearish at this point. Tap this 5 minute gap on both now. Now it's true manipulation. Now even SMT. But now we're wicking this 4 hour gap. I thought, oh my god, bro. See, like, I don't know. I mean, do we just like fuck it and say like we're going with the trend and just say fuck it, or? Hmm. I mean, thought process for that is, I mean, 4 hour, yeah, we're wicking this gap, so I guess I should have just not taken it. 1 hour, we had the CISD right here. We inverse this gap. We have this absolute dick and ball candle. We're inversing all this shit. We get this 15 or 5 minute retrace into this gap on both. Then we have the internal SMT right here, right? Like, literally just look at it. You can see this one's moving higher, this one's moving lower, so it's an SMT. You get the clean inversion. I thought I would have at least got here for fucking break even, but not. Um, yeah. seems I was just stop hunted though. I don't know. Maybe by 10:30 PO3. And when did I take my shit? Here. Um. Hmm. I'm just trying to think here. Right here, we manipulate into this 15-minute gap here. But then we don't see it manipulate here. Huh. Like, what causes this to play out? Like, I don't know. Where is it? 10:30 opens here. It doesn't even manipulate. I don't know, bro. Like, I don't fucking know. Go to the next day. I don't know if this manipulation shit's like low-key fuck on my head. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I swear, like a lot of the times, like I'm seeing this like shit where it's like I'm seeing this shit where like it manipulates, but like I don't know. Like I'm seeing this shit where it manipulates and then one doesn't, and then I'm waiting for the other one to manipulate, but then that's SMT and then it does play out. But like, if you were saying that shit, I don't know. Like maybe I should do a month where I just backtest and see if like not waiting for the other asset to manipulate works better. Like I don't know. 4 hour right here, tapping this shit. I have this unfilled 1 hour. Oh yeah. Overall bullish. I need us to fucking come lower to get longs, but we fucking don't. It's fucking sick. Mm, like, what are we doing here, bro? Like, what the fuck is that? Like, right here, we're not I mean, like, right here. Huh. And then it plays out, see? I mean, I don't know if I would take, I wouldn't take shorts there, but still, like, that played out right there. I mean, this inverse, though, so you could take shorts there. Well, no, this wasn't done closing yet. Finish closing down here, yeah, you can't really expect that. Like, if I get it right here, I'm gonna take it. Like, dumb high SMT. But we're so discounted, this is low-key a dumb trade. We are dumping like crazy. Wait, what? This 15-minute opens higher into this. Get this 1-minute inversion. There's the overall draw. I'll hold to this. Okay, well I got raped. I think that lost though because we were in discount. I don't think that lost because the fucking like true manipulation shit. I mean, but like no, that probably like I just probably shouldn't take that. Like that was not a good backtest trade. Like I understand like I was trying to test something out right there, but like that's still like that is a terrible trade. I'm not gonna lie. Like these are so fucking diverged. Like what the fuck are we doing? Like I'm sorry, but bro, like This motherfucker is down here. In a, like, are these the fucking same days? Like, there's just no way, bro. Like, how, bro? Like, this motherfucker is respecting a 1 hour gap, and you're fucking disrespecting the 1 hour gap. Like, what the fuck are we doing? And then we're just continuing to, like, yo. This is chops, bro. I think I remember losing on this day and journaling it and saying, like, stop trading when they're so diverged. Is this October 3rd? I'm curious now. October 3rd. I fucking won on October 3rd? 3,000? What the fuck? That's my 3 Apex accounts? Off of what? A 5-minute mech? What? Bro, what? I also used to trade very differently. Why did I put this one screenshot? That is such a shitty journal. Training conditions weren't that good. I wasn't a huge fan. It was premature. What do you mean it was premature? Did I take it before the 5? I took it before the 5-minute inverse? Jesus, bro. It's so bad. Interesting. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Actually awful. It's so bad. That's so disgusting. Oh, I remember that day. I do remember that day. That torturous ass day. Alright, bro. Bro, I'm gonna actually shoot myself. Okay, not literally, but let me do not true manipulation. I don't fucking know. We'll name it not true manipulation. Oh my gosh, I'm backtesting the same month. This is gonna make me lose my mind. And then I'll do September again, just September. Call it a day today, because I've backtested way too much today, and it's just like honestly making it worse. But okay, just September. Right here. I don't even know. Yeah, changing the chart colors makes you profitable, right? Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Looking at this, ready? Okay. Daily, daily. Okay. We're making higher fucking whatever the fucks. We're making higher lows, right? I'm gonna actually just try to explain this the best I can. We're making higher lows, so I don't really care to take these, right? If anything, this is like the edge of the low. This should be really the lowest we go. That's honestly my opinion, right? Okay. 4 hour. What do we have right here? Okay. Huge SMT right here. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's not lining up. I'm gonna try to do this quick. Huge SMT. Boom. Kind of looking for longs. If I want to take continuation trades, then I'm gonna fucking wait for us to form like a little bit of market structure, obviously. Okay, we are doing what I want to see right now for me to take longs. This is good. Can we get a 5-minute pullback? EQ, preferably. Like, I'm gonna stick to at least that. I'm gonna do EQ, but I'm not gonna wait for both to fucking manipulate. Like, that's just too much. Where did 930 open? Right here? Okay, so draw out this EQ.
Okay. 5-minute candles. Come on. Okay, there's EQ. Probably gonna tap this other 15-minute. There's that other 15-minute being tapped right there. What are we doing on here? Or do we have like some sort of internal SMT? No. Maybe. Where is this on here? Here is here? What? Okay. This is that low? Okay. Oh my gosh, please stop. That's a massive leg, so I can't like... Okay, there's that SMT, I guess. What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's already past trading time. Go fuck yourself. Please go fuck yourself. Whatever. I want to make this as quick as possible. I should just go next day. Hold on. Let me just see. Do like the longs play out? No. Fuck no. Get out of here. Go next day. Okay. Cool. Whatever. Daily. Um. Okay. So this is high resistance. We made that daily SMT. We are holding that. We're moving higher right here. Bullish. Clearly. Okay. I would say we're fucking bullish at least these highs. Oh fuck. We already took them. Okay. I'm low-key gonna remain bullish right here, even though we have an SMT. If we get a nice reaction out of an hourly, we have this nice like accumulation, manipulation, eat a dick. Okay, cool. There we go. There's our accumulation, manipulation, eat a dick. Low-key too big of a leg to inverse. We get a soup right there, maybe 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour. This PO3 opening here. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking the fact that like it's just like burning through. Like it's not like reacting off a key level. Like I'm just not really a huge fan of that. And then I'm gonna take this 1 minute inversion. Inversion. There's not even inversion right here. There's jack diddly dang shit, and I'm not dropping down to 30 seconds to take that garbage. Looking at it. Let's see. Let's just see how the 15-minute reacts actually. Okay, so the 15-minute is wicking pretty hard. So then that does make me see, like, ooh, I don't like this chop. Go fuck yourself. Like, what is this? Like, I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer. I can wait for the 5-minute. Ooh, this is the 5-minute right here. 4-minute could hold this lower though. 5-minute right here at 9:55 is gonna close, I think, right? Yeah. Oh, we'll just do this. Okay, look at that wick. Okay. So, where's our 5-minute? 5 minutes right here. Let's see how many candles it takes until we fucking flip this bitch. We don't. Oh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that candle's rape. I'm not gonna lie. That candle's rape. That candle's rape. That candle's rape. Like, I feel like that's good. Like, I feel like that's good. We swept out all this. Then we slipped this. There's not a huge amount of LR. So it's not terrible. We have this protecting us. We go break even here at all these accumulations. So at least we have a good break even. And then we'll just target up here. Ooh, cooked, 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 cooked. Can we squeeze a 1-to-1? Alright, we have to fade it, bro. Like, it's just too bad. Ooh, good fade, good fade, good fade, good fade. Good fade, good fade. I mean, I just don't know, like, what the fuck you want me to take here. Like, I just don't know. 4 hour... I mean, 1 hour... I mean, we opened lower, but we fucking inversed the gap. So that's shit. Like, that's retarded. We come here. Do we even tap this? We do tap this. When, though? At 9. And then 10 a.m. opens. Leaves all these fucking... all this LR. Jack... powers off. My headset powers off because it's a prick. Okay. Okay, we have a bearish SMT right here. Okay. Bearish SMT right here. Am I tripping or... 1 hour? Yeah, no, we have a fucking huge bearish SMT. Okay. And now the 10 a.m. candle is actually doing something. It's opening higher into something. You know, it's sweeping out these fucking intermediate highs. Okay, wait. This could be good for shorts. This could be good for shorts. Okay. We just need a nice... interesting. You're a fucking prick. Interesting. And now that SMT's gone, and I'm not gonna lie, it's like fucking 11. Like, you're looking for a reversal, you're fighting the trend. Yep, go next day. Go next day. Go next day. Not doing it. Okay. I don't know. Am I too picky with my trades? I don't fucking know. Is September price action terrible? I don't fucking know. Am I losing my mind? Probably. We have some nice highs up there. 4 hour. We're overall bullish, not fucking bearish. We have some nice 1 hour intermediate lows. 4 hour. We have 1 hour intermediate lows. We have these shits. Okay, let's see what the fuck we get here. Oh, we're just not gonna fucking do anything. Please do something. Please do something. Sweep it, please. Thank you. Okay, here we go. We're sweeping this shit. Okay, we have a nice soup into it as well. Here we go. There better be a fucking inversion here to take. There's a 5 minute right here. 10-10 it closes at. So that's like what? Is that like 10? Okay, wait, let's. Oh, nice. Okay, 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 okay. Look, nothing. Okay, no, nothing. Okay, 1 hour PO3 opens lower, right? We're overall bullish. Look, we have all these relative equal highs. We have this clean 5 minute inversion, not wicking. We soup this shit. That's a fucking long. That's a fucking long. We'll target this shit. We'll go here. Let's fucking go. I played out. I swear I took the same exact trade. I swear that was the only trade I took last month because it's 640. I swear that's the exact. Doesn't fucking matter. What would have break even been? Probably here. Not gonna lie. Doesn't really matter. Like obviously it matters. It's like more discretionary, but like there's realistically what is stopping us from going to these highs? Oh my gosh, it plays by 11:30. Wait, when did we take? We took this 10:30. It's 30 minute PO3 aligned too. I mean, it looked nice. It made sense to me. I think was there an SMT? I don't know. Did I go over that properly? I don't fucking know. Fuck. All right. Sorry, I'm in a rush because I've been backtesting for what feels like fucking 80. Ooh, I'm gonna fucking. I want to go to the fucking gym, bro. I want to go to the gym. Fucking over this shit, bro. I just want to go to the fucking gym, bro. Okay, we have a huge bearish SMT. Bunch of fucking LRR as far as I'm concerned. Bunch of fucking 4 hour LR, right? Like these are some nice fucking low. Ooh, these are some nice. This is nice right here. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. Can we get a simple retracement? 15. Ooh, shit. Simple retrace. Oh shit. Simple retracement. I'm looking for the most recent 15-minute trading length, swing low to swing high. That's how I do my shits for equilibrium. If I'm looking for continuation, I need at least equilibrium. Yo, prick. Don't be a fucking. Come on, do it. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, do we get an SMT in the process? We do. We do get an SMT. Look at that. Okay, so we inverse this. So we're definitely gonna be fucking. We're definitely gonna take that. Sorry. 4 hour. We're tapping this shit, right? Little 4 hour PO3, but we are like shifting structure. Like we're inversing this 1 hour gap. We're getting like a fucking. Oh my gosh, we're just dumping. See what I mean? Like this is when I would switch to a bearish. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, fuck. Yep, just keep dumping. Just keep going without us. It's no problem. I didn't want to get in a fucking trade anyway. I didn't want to backtest anyway. What's that? Is that 11 o'clock? Oh, it is. Look at that. Go next day. 4 hour. One day. Oh my gosh. I don't even fucking know. Okay, 4 hour. We are rejecting this. We're inversing this. Okay, bullish. Come on, easy. That's fucking easy. This is easy bread. Okay, 1 hour. Can we just get a nice fucking condition, please?
Let's just sweep lower and go higher. That's like all I need. Nope, instead you're gonna be a prick. Nothing. It's like you never fucking change. It's like you never change. It's like Nasdaq just doesn't like people to get entries. At least with the model or anything. I don't fucking know. Just trade Asia session. Just trade all the above. What the fuck? Tap it. Good boy. Right, where's 930? Okay, so we're in EQ, the 930 range. That's good. In the most recent 15-minute trading leg, we're about to be in EQ. Looking at this, right? Okay. You're about to manipulate into something higher, create a crazy SMT. Big ass trading leg. Hold on. I don't think I can get a 1-to-1. When is this shit inverse? 1030? Like, it's good. I'm sure it's gonna take it, but like, what the fuck do you want me to like do? Like, what am I supposed to like? Am I supposed to like really take that? Like, break even. Okay, this is a monkey trade. If it wins, it's monkey, but like, I'm actually happy it didn't win. I don't know why I took that. Like when you heard me go silent, like that should tell you like I shouldn't be taking it. I don't know why I took it. Idea there was I was just gonna go quick ass break even like I did. At least I went the quick ass break even. I was literally gonna probably go here, but like the 5 minutes just too far. Like it's like I can't do anything with it. Like these 5-minute inversions are fucking me. Like if anything, I need like an extra stoop, and I need there to not be such a big leg so that I can get a proper entry where I'm not gonna get like rejected off of. But I had to take the fucking highest time frame. I had to take this 5-minute. We displaced up here. I kind of just took it. I probably shouldn't have. It wasn't really a good trade. Maybe we tap into this 5-minute and then we have guaranteed to the draw. That could be good. Yeah. Oh, and it's 11:15. Nope, we don't even get that. And it doesn't even go to the draw, so that means our draw was wrong. Perfect. W log. Oh, refresh the page because 4 hours break every fucking 2 seconds. I'm gonna smash something. Okay. Okay. Daily. 4 hour. 4 hour. 2 hour. Do we have anything? Nope. 2 hour. 1 hour. Like, question is like, do I just like not trade? Like I feel like on a day like this, like I would just like I feel like if I see this, like you should just log. Like deadass, just fucking turn the computer off. There's not a single high time frame fair value gap in fucking sight, but this 4 hour gap that's tinier than my balls. Like, what do you do with this, bro? Like, you don't do shit with it. Like, there's literally fucking fuck all. Like, alright, we'll hope we get a sweep lower, and then, yeah, I'm turning on the 15-minute. I don't care. Okay, look, there we go. There's our sweep lower right there, okay? What am I seeing here? I'm seeing us tap these intermediate lows, or the fuck. I'm not just gonna take this inversion, because that's fucking stupid. We have all these gaps above us to inverse. Hmm. Hmm. So would have played out. Not well. Oh, and it's past 11. Unfortunate. I'm not gonna explain my thought process. Just know it was a shit day. That's all you need to know. Probably should explain my thought process. My thought process was there was no fair value gaps. We came down lower. I saw the 5-minute as the highest time frame inversion. I was thinking about taking a 1-minute inversion on the 5-minute pullback, but we didn't inverse the 5-minute first, so there wasn't really a change in market structure. I mean, we still have to hold. We still have to inverse the 5-minute so we can hold the 5-minute and then stop me out. There's no need to take that long. It's just a fucking dumb long. I'm not taking it. The 5-minute long, we didn't get till 2 later. It was also 11:40. I'm not taking the trade. There was almost nothing to take it to trade off of. That's why I placed no trades on that today. Cool. Explained it. 4 hour, right? We're going to these fucking highs. 1 hour, 15-minute maybe. There's a 15-minute. I would hope we sweep these. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Oh shit. Okay, well, it inversed this, and we got a 15-minute CISD, and we're wicking this shit like crazy, and we just sweep this like 4 hour intermediate high. I'm low-key thinking bearish to this 4 hour unfilled gap. Maybe we catch some shorts there.
That's honestly what I'm thinking here. But I don't think we're gonna get a pullback because in a scenario like this, we never do. So, not to be unoptimistic, but I'm just being realistic, whatever the fuck you want to call it. We have a bearish SMT right here. Where the fuck are data highs? We're taking data highs. We're forming the bearish SMT. We have a 5-minute gap. This is just buns, bro. This is like honestly fucking buns, if I'm gonna be honest. Like, there's just nothing. Like, this bitch is going up. This bitch is going down. That's what's buns about this. Like just looking at them, like. Swept out data lows. We had this SMT. We tapped this gap right here. I guess we could have taken longs, but like just looking at it, like this is shit. So then I was waiting for us to come higher, but now this also looks like shit. So it's like, I don't know, it's just choppy PA, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, look at this shit. Like, this shit is ass. Like, I'm sorry, but like how am I, like, there's nothing good about that. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm not taking that shit, bro. Like, that shit is ass. Like, shit is ass. It's just, like, we're not getting anything. Okay, 4 hour, 1 hour. I feel like the 1 hour, like, helps me a lot. Okay, I think we're fucking bullish these highs, guys, right? I think nice little market maker buy model. It just looks like, it looks like what we're getting here. Can we get maybe a what did we just tap? This 5-minute? Okay, we tapped the 5-minute right here. Where's the 5-minute? Right here? Look, and there's an SMT. So this is like what he was saying wasn't true manipulation. This is the one I feel like I'd be winning on when I take this shit. Ooh. But we're in a 5-minute. Oh my gosh, we have to wait for every fucking 5 minutes. It's so annoying. We have to wait for literally every 5-minute. And we're SMT'd. Like, this is ridiculous, bro. Like, bro, this is ridiculous. And we have equal lows. Like, like, I have to fade it. Like, I have to. Like, this is, like, and it's gonna play out, watch. Like, no, 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 no. I just, like, am I, like, I'm sorry, but, like, am I, like, a bitch? But, like, the way I was looking at it, right? Okay? What the fuck? What was I looking at originally that, like, I was looking for the 5-minute version? Oh, yeah. We came down this 5-minute gap, right? Where's the 5-minute gap here? Here, I'll replay it, so I'm not gonna take the trade. But, wait, what? Well, I didn't take anything, so... Oh, well, I canceled it. Does that change? Like, I should just be 1-0, right? Okay, yeah, okay. Look, bro. Like, we come down, we take this 5-minute gap, right? Where's the 5-minute gap? Right here? Yeah, look, see? Obvious SMT, right? Pretty fucking clear. We get this clean 5-minute flip. It's nice, not really wick. It's pretty nice displacing. I mean, yeah, it's a nice displacing candle. Like, it's a pretty good candle. You go break even here if you, like, want to play, like, super safe. But we have a fucking all-time high, not like an all-time high SMT. Like, are we fucking dead ass? Like, we're already at my targets on ES, so like I can't take that, bro. I'm not even at break even yet, and I'm already at my targets on ES. Like, you want me to take that? Like, I can't. I just can't. I just can't. I mean, if you go break even at the wick, you lose. If you go break even at the fill, you win. Point is, this shit played out by 11. Yeah, okay. Go the next day. I mean, I can't fucking take that. Like, I can't. daily. Okay. Another all-time high target. Another all-time high target. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. I mean, there's like jack diddly dang fucking shit. If I'm being honest, like you have to wait till we like come so much lower. And this is fucked. Oh shit. Tapping this. I mean, I could go off of that. Mm. No, I actually can't go off of that because I don't have a single fucking fair value gap in the whole leg. So I actually can't go off of that. Sadly. Even if my emotions wanted to. I'm not allowed to. And I proceed to get literally the worst price action. Like, not a single fair value. So, what I'm seeing right here and why I'm not taking a trade. We have this 4-hour gap tapped at 2 in the morning. That's cool. That's awesome. I can then look for a continuation off of, like, maybe a 15-minute gap, right? Something like that, right? We're seeing the fattest wicks of all time. Okay, we get this 15-minute intermediate low. Okay, cool. Let me look for the highest time frame inversion. Okay, never mind. There was a 5-minute right there, but I was looking at like this leg, you know, to see something more of a trade that I could get in discount premium or the fuck, like in the lower portion before we get up to here, like a nicer trade so I can get the inverse here and then go break even here. But I get no inverse here on the 1 minute, nothing on the 3 minute, nothing on the 4 minute. And I guess I missed the 5 minute right here. I'm not really mad about this though. Like, I really don't care that I didn't take this. Like, I don't know. It's just, it didn't even look good. Like, it's kind of shit, if you ask me. And it plays out, but, like, I don't know. Mid. I'm not, that's a fade I'm not going to be mad at. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm getting absolutely no fucking trades on the month. I don't know why, but maybe it's because I fade shit like that, but, like, that's just, like, not a good trade in my opinion. Like, it's just not. It just doesn't look nice. Like, in a 5 million. Where's 930? And it's past 11, go the fucking next day. Targeting the new week opening gap. Um, Also targeting this 4-hour gap if we get an entry before then. We're having an SMT at the 4-hour gap. I think this is when you use the true manipulation as like the higher time frame P arrays. Like you want to see them both manipulate into a higher time frame gap. Please, can I get a pullback into something? Fuck. Please, bruh. And it's 11. Nice. Go to the next day. Still more to fill in the gap. You know, you would think since I'm backtesting like the same fucking month, I would start to just remember what's going on and then I would just fake it and fucking win, but and the headset turns off again. Gonna crash the fuck out. Maybe
Maybe I should have taken that. Fuck. I was hitting the candles too fast. I might have sold on that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. It's okay. Mm, it's 11. I don't, bro. Like, it was just like bullshit. Okay. Here, 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 here. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, yo, I'm gonna fucking. You know what? I'll fucking fade it. I'll fucking fade it, and it fucking plays out. Why is there not a fair value gap in the whole fucking leg? Like, 1 minute, nothing. 2 minute, nothing. 3 minute, nothing. 4 minute, nothing. 5 minute, nothing. Maybe we'll get a continuation, am I right? Just maybe. Because those happen often, right? Wait a second. Might be onto something. Wait a second. Hmm? Hmm. 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 Gap. Hmm. Wick. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait. Was that over the time? Yes. Okay. Wait. Mid, 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 mid. I thought that was the fucking mid, 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 mid. Okay. Idea. Wait, didn't I just fucking take? I took. I'm a fucking imbecile. I was wondering why the fuck it looks so. Okay, I literally like just took this trade like the last time I was on the session, but like I took this exact same trade. I'm an idiot. There's nothing special about this then actually. Point is, 9 a.m. opens lower into both these gaps. I saw we did the same here. We had an SMT. I liked the idea of shorts here, but we didn't have anything. I was targeting the unfilledness of these gaps that did get fillednesses. So the fills that did happen was what I was targeting originally with the 30-second, but we didn't have a fucking 30-second. We had jack diddly dang fucking shit. Okay? And my idea for that short right there was well, we opened higher off of 930 into this 15-minute gap, and then we had some nice inversions, some nice LR, unfilled gaps, et cetera, et cetera. This one, SMTs, high resistance, going to low resistance, LR, break even at this accumulation zone. Probably could have went break even. Probably should have went break even here. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, open low for the 9 a.m. candle. Closes through this. Oh, this was at 950. Low key, not the best trade. Like low key, so mid. I just really like the displacement of this 5 minute. Like it's just so clean. Like it actually looks like a nice setup. And like looking at this, like this range, we're like not. I mean, like it's like mid, very mid. Like I said, very mid. Honestly, just not. I don't know. I don't know. 1 hour, bro. Fuck the 2 hour, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't care about no fucking 2 hour, bro. where's that 15 minute getting tapped? This looks very simple to me. Like, this just looks like a very market maker buy model on the 15. Hopefully this is like a protected low, and then we can just get some easy ass longs out of it. You know the only issue I'm fucking seeing with it? Guess what? There's not a fucking fair value gap in fucking sight. There's only a fucking 5 minute. Nice. 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 I'm not taking that. Yeah, nice. So the wick is bigger. The wick is bigger than my balls, so I'm not going to take it. So that's why I didn't take that. I do like the inversion, but I don't like this big ass fucking wick. Not a good indication of winning. If I'm gonna, I'm trying to still use my brain while taking these inversions, trying to take the high quality ones. So that's why I didn't take that. So yeah, right here, and it fucking freezes again. Don't fucking worry. Hmm. 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 Mm, 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 mm. The idea for not wanting to take this trade and why I'm fading it is, first of all, it's a 5 minute intermediate low. I mean, it's just a 5 minute, it's not a 15 minute. There's no internal SMT, so that really makes me not want to take it. Um, the 1 minute closure, it's fine. It's not terrible. It's honestly fine, but it's not EQ the range. So it's not EQ the range. It's a 5 minute gap already, and there's no SMT. And it would have lost. Look at that. See? Goated. Goated fade. Goated fade. And now we're seeing this 5 minute condition get filled past. What does that make me think? I don't want to take a fucking long off of it anymore. Maybe we come... Wait, what time are we at? Maybe we come down for something lower. Is there like a 30 minute gap? Like, I wish there was like a 30 minute gap. Well, we already like complete this. Like, the whole idea was I wanted to fucking complete this. And now we have this 5 minute inversion. But like, that doesn't mean I just want to short this LR because like, we're at all-time highs. Like, that's just dumb in my opinion. So I'm not going to do that. Granted, it is playing out, the shorts. Wait, let's just see. Yeah, I mean, the shorts are playing out, but like, it doesn't matter. Go the next day, it's 11. 4 hour. Hmm. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Rape. 1 hour. Holding this gap. What are we doing? We're going up higher to, I think, this unfilled gap right here. Looks like a market maker buy model. I mean, we didn't really get the CISD. We kind of held this order block. 15 minute gaps being tapped right here, so maybe we just come for like another one. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Oh my gosh, I hate my fucking biases right, and it just rails to everything. It's so annoying. I hate that shit. It's just like annoying. It just is. 9:30. Okay, we're in EQ. That's good. Do we have an internal SMT? No. No. What's the highest time frame inversion? The 1 minute. Do we inverse on both pairs? Yes, but just barely. I mean, we should just run to this, but I mean, hmm, hmm, mm, mm, mm. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it personally. Came to EQ, right? If we came to EQ, we tap the 5 minute. We tap on here like a 4 minute probably. Yeah, 4 minute. I hope I don't fucking regret this. Break even. Yes, nice. Probably not the best trade. I did like the EQ. I did like the overall bias was right. I did like that we were just ripping, right? There wasn't really much PO3. That was the only thing I didn't like really like. That was the thing I like was like that was fucking me over about that trade. Like 9:45 opened and it kind of just like, wait, when did I take this trade at? Oh my gosh, if I could go back in time, I would feed that. Wow, that's so fucked on my head. The one trade I won, if I could go back in time, I would feed. Cause like, bro, this 15-minute candle can open and then just fucking like fuck us in our ass. Like, I don't know. Like, is that a good trade? Like, looking at it, right? We're clearly fucking burning through all these gaps. We're clearly going for this high, right? Okay. Clearly going for that high. But, like, you want your draw to be something lower than the overall high. I mean, we could be going for this one, probably. I mean, or, like, this one, maybe. But, come to this 5-minute gap. We manipulate into a 4-minute on there. There's no SMT. So, like, that's, like, if I want to take the 5-minute gaps, I normally want an SMT. The 1-minute closure, I mean, it's a decent closure. I mean, it doesn't take, like, a shit ton of candles. There's just no internal SMT. That's what I didn't fuck with about it. It just felt like a kind of risky 1-to-1, but... I mean, I guess it does play out, like, to all the draw... What, does it play out to that 4-hour higher that I was talking about? Yeah, okay. Alright, well... I mean, I guess it's not terrible, and then, yeah. Alright, well, It's a mid trade. I'm not gonna lie. It's very mid, very mid, very mid. Compared to, like, the setups I've been going for, that's very, 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 very mid. I just feel like you don't have to, like, my problem is I'm waiting for all these high time frame gaps when, if there's a high time frame gap sponsoring the move, that's when you can look for the continuation. That's what I just did. There was a high time frame gap sponsoring the whole move, so I looked for the lower time frame continuation, which was the 5-minute. I just didn't get the internal SMT, which is, like, ideal for that. Because I always lose on the 5-minute gaps. I don't normally take them, and I normally wait for the internal SMT, but right there I kind of just took it. So that's my reasoning for not really fucking with that. We're already tapping this 4-hour gap on both pairs. I don't really see, well, no, it's a massive accumulation zone. I do want to see this get manipulated, or whatever the fuck it's called. I can't speak. Oh my gosh, that would have been so nice, but we just didn't do it. Hmm. Okay, I'm looking kind of bearish. Get this accumulation. Oh, nice. Oof, 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 oof. Please have an SMT. Wait, what? How is this candle this candle? What? See, this is the shit that be confusing me. What are we talking about? Yeah, see, like I knew it was fucking wrong. I'm gonna take this. I'll explain after I lose if I do lose, but I don't think I'm gonna lose. I think this is a fucking great trade, I'm not gonna lie. I'll go break even right there. There's no way I get edged right here. Oh! Wow! Yeah, you're a fucking edge fest. You're a cornball, actually. What the fuck is that delivery? Fuck you. Oh my gosh. Okay, at least I knew it was a fire. I think it was a pretty good trade. Okay, idea for that trade. Okay, I was looking to see what reaction we would get off of C of the 4-hour gap. We never came there. What I did notice on the 1 hour, we're fucking burning. What is this? 1 hour's pretty much inverse. What are we seeing? Instead of using this accumulation zone as an accumulate, or I was looking at this as like a PDI, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We don't get that. We don't wick any of this. It's just a fucking distribute right here. So now I'm looking to get an accumulation higher. What do I see? I see that hourly candle finishes, right? That's the one inversing it. So now the next one is the 10 a.m. What does the 10 a.m. do? Makes this nice accumulation zone. What does it do? Out of this accumulation zone, it manipulates into this 15-minute gap. What else do we get? We also get this 1-minute SMT right here. Where the fuck was it? Right here. Line this candle up right here. Why is it not showing, bro? Like, it's actually pissing me off. Like, you see where my shit is right here? These highs are, yeah, right. Wait, why is it not showing? Wait, is that why I just got fucking edged? I could have taken out a 1-to-1. Is that what just happened? I definitely could have taken here for, yeah, I probably should have just taken that, but wait, is that what just happened? Oh my god, I did get SMT there. Wait, no, here. Why are these like not lining up? Like normally like it's so much easier to see this. Why is it like so hard to see right now? Like normally like it's super easy to see this SMT. Like right here. Oh my gosh, bro, this is pissing me off that I can't like show the SMT that I saw. Okay, this 15-minute gap is this right here. Huh. So if this is this. Oh, yeah, there you go. Right here. Right here. You see this fucking wick? And now it's lining up right here? All this. Right here. This wick is fucking this one right here. Yeah, see, it's the same right here. Right here. There you go. That wick takes all this, right? Taps into the 15-minute gap. This wick doesn't take any of that. We get this nice clean inversion. I would say it's a pretty clean inversion. We obviously have some shit laying lower. Nice, like, accumulation, like, I mean, like, the overall, like, higher time from draw isn't really there, so, like, I guess you could say this is more of, like, a pattern trade, and, like, the delivery was terrible. That's why I did go break even. So, like, yeah, it's honestly not the best trade, but, yeah, I'll fuck, I fuck with the break even. I'm fine with the break even, honestly. I'm happy I went break even and didn't do some dumb shit, but it did play out, so. Um, daily, daily, 4 hour. I would say we're pretty bullish. We're just moving higher. 1 hour, like, really helps me, I feel like, determine my bias. I just really like looking at the 1 hour. We're just moving higher. Maybe we can get a tap into one of these gaps right here. We do. Okay. Interesting. Might go bearish after seeing that shit. Have some nice equal lows right here. We're in this overall 4 hour gap right here, so we could displace through all these hourly gaps, which we are doing. Get the CISD. We get this. Wait. 15-minute CISD right there. I need 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, bro. Fuck, bro. I don't know. I'm not gonna take it unless it's equilibrium. I don't care. I'm already setting that for myself right now. Is it already? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. It doesn't matter. Like I'm just not. Unless it's equilibrium, I'm not taking the continuation. I don't care. I literally lose not taking continuations all the times. I mean, not equilibrium, but continuation. So I don't know why I would do it here. 4 hour, we are in this gap. I want to see if we can get past this gap on NQ, and then that should just deliver us lower. MES is obviously the more bearish pair. If you look at this candle right here, it's past it already. It's fucking way lower. I mean, I just want to see us get past this. So, um, see if we can maybe get a nice PO3 into this 1 hour gap. Maybe. Nope. It looks like we're just gonna deliver lower. We get a 5-minute gap right there. Oh, okay. Right here, 9:30. Oh my gosh, bro. What is going on? Fuck. There we go. There's EQ that right there. Um, this 30-second. Mid. I don't take 30 seconds in live market, so why the fuck would I do it here? 5-minute right here. We have an internal SMT or no? It's high right here. Oh, we have an internal SMT right here. Or wait, no, we don't. I'm an idiot. All right, there's no SMT. The only thing you can really take is. Okay.
Okay, so right here we don't get the fill past the highest time frame inversion. Takes 18,000 candles, so even if I was to get it, I probably wouldn't take it. What are we getting here? 15-minute tap. Wait, what happened to this 4-hour right now? We inverse this 4-hour, so we should continue lower. I mean, kind of seems like we're going for the unfilled 1 hour, maybe? Yeah, it probably seems like we're going for the unfilled 1 hour. Looking at it, I mean, look at this huge leg. There's no rebalances this whole leg. But I'm not really going to be looking along to that unless we inverse this, which we do. I doubt we get a pullback now. We don't, yeah. Yeah, so, like, I mean, I could look for shorts now again, but, I mean, now I have, like, 18,000 fucking unfilled gaps that are just going to rape me in the long run. And it freezes again. Yay, 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 yay. Keep freezing, keep freezing, keep freezing. Because I want to sit here. I want to keep backtesting. I enjoy it so much that if you keep freezing, it's going to take longer. And that's what I want to do today. Yep. That's totally what I want to do today, right? Um. Hmm. I just don't know. I don't know. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard for sure. It's hard for sure. It's hard for sure. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, yo. Um. SMT right there. I don't know. Yeah. Call it a day, honestly. It's just not a very good PA day. It's like a little bit confused. Like it's just I don't know. It's like bouncing between two gaps. Like I can't like I don't know. Daily, we're wicking this daily gap. Okay. Daily 4-hour. We are wicking these imbalances right here. So I mean, maybe we get a pullback and we can look for some shorts. Or we're like souping all this. Like it's like a rejection wick. Oh, now we're getting a further one. Ooh. Okay. This is nice. Oh fuck. I get this? No, I have to go for this. Looking at this, I mean, on the daily, we're wicking this. On the 4-hour, we're overall bullish though. We're wicking this. I don't know. PO3 right here on this 4-hour candle. Um, we inverse this. We have a bunch of LR here. I don't know. This is hard. This is definitely hard. Like we kind of looks like we're in a market maker buy model. Will be accumulated. We soup this. I don't know. I don't know. On the 4-hour. We filled past this on ES. I'm not gonna take it. That's a like. I'm sorry, but that is a terrible trade, bro. Like it played out beautifully, but that is a fucking rancid trade in my opinion. Looking at the higher time frames, I don't know though. Was that a bad fade? Like I don't know, bro. I just feel like you're just fading the overall higher time frame narrative. Like I'd rather take like a long, if anything, down from here. See if we can get a long. And if I lose now it's gonna suck. But like I feel like the long makes so much more sense.
here. We'll go break even here. Target this. I feel like this makes so much more sense. Wait, where's the break even? It's probably just gonna be a break even. Yeah. So does it play out though? Yeah, it plays out, but it takes like actually I think fucking 5 hours to play out, so that's good. I mean, at least I knew I was right there. Like I'm happy with that, honestly. I feel no, I feel like that's a good fade. I don't care. That's a good fade. Cause like just looking at it, bro, like we're at all-time highs, like pretty much, right? Obviously, I mean, I guess. Oh well, I didn't look at it that way. I mean, I guess we are in this like overall 4-hour market maker sell model, like looking at it like this, right? And like it feels like it's complete once we get down here. But the way I didn't even really think about it like that. Maybe that wasn't terrible. But like, I feel like it kind of looks like it's getting complete now, right? Because if you look at all these, like these are small little pullbacks, right? Like for the market maker sell model, like it's a little small pullback, right? Like if you look at it, like 70 point, 80 point pullbacks. This one is what, a fucking 300 point pullback. This is probably the indication that we're probably going to go to this high. Flip to market maker buy model, right? So we're overall bullish. We see one 4-hour gap tap and we're just looking to take sells to the lows. I think that's dumb as fuck. So I think that's a good fucking fade. Yeah, and now we are going higher, like I said, to this pool. Like I said. Yep, and we already went there on ES, so we're probably going to take it. I mean, it might be more high resistance now because of the SMT and it's in a gap, but I have the overall draw right, so that's good now. I'm looking at where we're going overall, and I'm like trying to factor that in. It's like, what is anything without a higher time frame narrative? Like, that's just fucking basic shit. 4-hour, 1 hour, I mean, we have nothing on the, well, we're sweeping these 1-hour gaps, I guess. Okay, well that trade's invalid. The only thing I was looking to really take a long off of was these 1-hour intermediate lows that we swept out clearly. We're obviously souping right here, like it's just rejection wicks. But the 4-minute fills and takes out everything in the process because it's a fucking idiot. That's just me being completely honest. It's like actually a brain dead. If we just keep trending higher, then I can look for a continuation maybe. Yeah, we are just trending higher. Ooh. We're just... And we get a fill past our fucking internal high, so it's invalid. And we do absolutely nothing till 11. That's good. 4-hour. We're up here. Maybe we completed the sell model. Looking at the pullbacks. I mean, maybe we're switching a little bit more bearish now. I think that could be something good to learn, is like looking at the pullbacks and shit. 15-minute. We're filling past this. Yeah, we are just going lower. Oh, wait a second. Tapping this 4-hour. I mean, hard to say. Hard to say. Hard to say. I'll treat the 4-hour like a condition, if anything, actually. We just wicked out all of this. We had an extra soup. Let's see if this 4-minute can hold this condition, but it doesn't. I was thinking about taking this right here, like using this 4-minute as a condition, but it didn't hold, and then, like, it's just kind of shit. It's just kind of shit. It's just kind of shit. Rejecting this 4-hour, I was thinking maybe take it to these highs. No, we don't do that. I don't know, I'm not really liking, like, there's nothing, like, obvious, I feel like, in my opinion. There's just not, there's not a lot of obvious shit here.
Like, we're rejecting this, and then we're just like not even going to we're not even going to an unfilled 1 hour gap. Like, that's so stupid. Like, we're just like, look at this. Look at this fucking, look at this PA on the 5 minute. Like, that's not good. It's not what you want to see, bro. We're literally sitting in like a fucking, and I guess it is a big range, but nah. Alright, well, I guess that's the session. 3 trades in a month, like, I don't know. Well, okay. I don't know. Alright, oh, yeah.